Hello everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, we have engineer Ming explain the whole process of installing the pressure plate for the EPS filling gun. The service life of the EPS filling gun seal ring is 8 to 12 months. If steam leakage occurs, the seal ring needs to be replaced in time. After the EPS filling gun is installed on the press plate and the screws are tightened, the gap between the copper collar will reduce. After fully locking, the two ends of the copper collar will merge or leave a small gap. If the EPS filling gun is still loose after fully locking, it means there is a problem with the copper collar, which needs to be replaced. At this point, the installation of the EPS filling gun is completed. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.